नाज़रीन आदाब, ATR न्यूज़ चैनल में आप सभी का इस्तकबाल है। आइए डालते हैं आज की अहम खबर पर एक नज़र। ऐसे ही अहम और ख़ास खबरों के लिए ATR न्यूज़ को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर भी ज़रूर करें।
A dynamic academic leader whose ideas continue to transform higher education across the state. Sir, the stage is yours.
Good morning, friends, respected chairman, secretary, principal ma'am, faculty members, and my dear students. I don't call you students. You are the future of India. You are going to be the future of world because India is you all know why I am telling you. India is going to lead in the 21st century. Okay, so that where we talk about Vikasit Bharat, or our Chief Minister talks about rising Telangana 2047. You know why 2047 is important? Because India is transforming from a developing country to developed world, from a third world economy to third largest economy. And today, no hesitation in saying that globe is eyeing on India, looking towards India, being a youth country of the world. Our population. 65% of the population is 35 years age. 50% of the population is 25 years age. Almost 600 billion population is 25 years age. Where you all come into. That's why we are going to play an important role, significant role in the community of nations. That's why I call you your future of India, your future of world. Okay? Of course, definitely you are going to contribute to the legal fraternity in the years to come, in the decades to come. Okay, that is one. Today, yes, thank you so much, sir, for inviting me. Yes, every day I go and I give average. One college I visit average. Maybe I speak with 5 to 600,000 people. But today I am seeing again recently. Most of the time I am going and interacting with engineering students and other students. But again rare. I am coming back to my own fraternity because I am a law person. Yes, I want always interacting with you. So nice of you. So let me first thank and congratulate because sir has invited me, sharing some of my thoughts with you all. So good. Today, if you look at legal profession and legal education, maybe for half an hour, I want to interact with you. When sir invited, I said only one condition. I am a very selfish person. You know what is my selfish nature? I want to come and learn from you. That's why I said I want to interact with the students, interact with the faculty, so that I can learn. So I hope you don't disappoint me now. Disappoint nahi karte na. So I want to interact. Yes, coming to the two important things. One is the legal education. We are part of the legal education. Other one is you are going to be part of the legal profession. That's why I call legal education and legal profession. I will speak maybe half an hour and I want to interact with you all. So when I say legal education, legal profession, 5 important factors which are responsible for improving or combating the legal education, legal profession. 5 important factors. One bad habit I have. I forget everything what I spoke. I think be careful when I am speaking. You have to note down or keep here. Then I will ask you. Okay? So it is a sort of interaction. I am not here to give a lecture. I am here to interact with you. 5 important factors which are responsible for the influencing the legal education and legal profession, not only in India but across the globe. So what are those 5 factors? One is the globalization. Maybe you note down or I don't know you remember, but I will ask you. Okay? Globalization, liberalization, privatization, digitization and covidization. Yes, you heard about globalization, privatization, all, but covidization is the which I am using. I don't say I am discovered or invented, but I am using as a student. Covidization like globalization, COVID pandemic 19. I will come to what covidization. Okay, coming to the first one. What I said, first one is very good, globalization. How globalization? Globalization is global. Today we are living in an interconnected world. Today we are living in a borderless society. Yes or no? Because of technology, because of inventions, all. So this, globalization. One of the important factors for globalization is the technology. I'll talk about technology, but today fact that we are living in a borderless society, sitting here doing something and impacting across the globe. So that's one globalization. But we as a legal fraternity, law students, how globalization is going to impact us? Globalization is already impacted, but it's going to impact maybe you are 3 years course, 5 years course, another 5 years, 10 years. The legal profession is going to change completely because of globalization. Okay, there is a one agreement called WTO GATS. Okay, WTO World Trade Organization, GATS. Okay, I always say 3 things are everyone has to remember. One is, of course, you are a lawyers, I need not talk about. Ignorance of law is no excuse. Yes or no? You have to go and tell that you as a law student, law faculty, yes, ignorance of law is no excuse, because as a citizens of the country, we have to have some understanding about law. Second, ignorance of constitution. Ignorance of constitution is also no excuse. Why? Constitution. What is the constitution? Some of you have done already constitutional paper. Yes or no? I heard that first semester, third semester, fifth semester. So how many you have done constitution? Chalo, constitution ho gaye subject. What is the constitution? Sorry, chota questions पूछ रहा हूँ. You don't mind. Yeah, what is the constitution? Law. Very good. Anything else? Okay, right subs. Anything else? Constitution is the supreme law of the land. All laws originates from the Constitution. So it is the important basic law, supreme law. So this is the one. So okay, next question. This Constitution, we studied part of our 7th class, 8th class social studies. It's not that you are being a law student. We have already done. So what is the uniqueness of Indian Constitution? Okay, very good. This side, yes, I can hear, lengthiest. I don't know, I am not English teacher, lengthiest, bulkiest, biggest are. Okay, next question comes. How many articles, how many schedules, how many parts, how many amendments? Because this is very important. We can't afford to ignore Constitution, more particularly you are a law students. That's why. What is update on Constitution? Nowadays I am becoming busy, so I am not reading, I want to learn from you. What is the update on Constitution? Okay. How many articles, how many schedules, how many parts, how many...
For moot court winners, in injunction case, I would like to call Madani bin Sargam Qureshi for being first position and best mooter. Huda Yafai for moot court competition, injunction case first position. Ishrat Begum for first position in injunction case. For moot court competition, being first position in matrimonial cruelty 498A case, Maliha Fatima Qureshi and Pratisha Tiwari for being first position. I would like to call Hafsa Putul and Sayyida Atika for being runner-ups in cruelty 498A case. Muhammad Hunain for drug awareness program participants. Sayyid Abdullah Hussaini, Muhammad Hamza Qureshi, Muhammad Maqsood, Muhammad Umar, Sayyid Arbaz Hussaini. For the participants of drug being best volunteers, Mohammad Muzaffar Khan, Ibadur Rahman, Khaja Shariful Hassan Sufyan, and Muhammad Iqbaluddin. Please come on the stage.
ये सारी चीज़
किधर मार्केट में
मैंने आंगन में
लाइट वेट है
जिंदल है
उसको मैंने वो हाथ में हुआ तो वो सबसे पहले लाइट वेट है
लाइट वेट है
Please give a huge round of applause for their accomplishments.
मैं तो मिला था नहीं ऐसा आए थे आपके मिलकर
मैं वहाँ पे रहता हूँ मलकपेट इस्लामिया
जाकर के नहीं रहता मैं
नीचे ऑफिस नीचे थे
हाँ नीचे नहीं ऑफिस
Congratulations to each one of you. Your achievements are a source of inspiration for